I kind of miss vlogging. This area of the old studio now looks like this. You guys already saw me convert this over to my plant station. Peter's desk is there. And you guys saw him install that lamp for my plants. It's become an obsession now. Well, it's always been an obsession, but I feel like now I have the space for it. And she loves touching all of my plants. So I wanted to go to IKEA and get a white shelf because I saw on Instagram this really nice office, and I'll try to see if I can find the photo and I'll pop it up on screen, of this nice bookshelf where the person would put their plants and they had it in their office and everything, and I thought it was a really good idea. I was originally gonna get it black so that it matches Peter's side of the office, because you guys know my section is all white. But then I thought, when in the future, when we eventually buy a house, that bookshelf and the plants and everything is gonna be inside of my office. So it might as well just match my desk. So I'm gonna go ahead and get it in white. And I think it's gonna look really pretty and minimal and actually fit more plants here. So that's what we're gonna do today. Because it's Saturday morning. Actually, this might be the emptiest we've ever seen IKEA. All right, don't ask why, but Peter decided to take apart his computer. And for some reason, he's on my side of the desk. Yeah. So this is the new bookshelf, and we're gonna be putting that together in a minute. Well, actually, I'm gonna be putting it together because Peter's busy doing this. So Peter's gonna cry because he took apart his computer, and I feel like he's a little overwhelmed, but he could do it. He's done it before. So wish me luck. I'm putting my stuff together on my own. Oh my God, this is actually really heavy. so loving the way this looks right now. Oh, can we just like, right here. This is like the golden hour shot. Love. All right, I still have to kind of play around with the placement of everything. But I'm loving it so far. So this is what I decided it needs to look like, the placement of all the plants. So here, I'm gonna go back to IKEA and get that little mini greenhouse and put it down here because I just ordered 5 more plants.
Oh my God.
Peter's like, oh my God, yeah. I just ordered 5 mini little plants. They're like little seedlings and they're gonna go in there. But that's like that. And I have these grow lights here. I'm debating whether or not if I want to buy the vertical ones so that I can attach it onto the top of the shelf and put it there. But yeah, that's what that looks like right now. So I know that I've been making and I've been promising you guys educational videos, but I kind of miss vlogging a little bit, just recording day-to-day life and what's going on. So it's a big toss-up. That's Ellie, she's eating her lunch.
She's very good with the TV muted.
She's tired because Miss Rachel is muted. So I've been debating whether or not if I want to incorporate more vlog type reels. I was just creating some reels, so yeah. I'm debating whether or not if I wanted to incorporate more vlog type videos in the mix. So Sundays would be my normal post educational business like videos, and then I would do a day in the life of a business owner, just day-to-day stuff. Like eventually we're gonna be house hunting, and that's super exciting. I want to be able to bring you guys along and show you what we're doing and what we're looking into. Yeah, I don't know. I guess I've been debating if I should open up another channel for that. But I don't really want to do that because then that's like multiple things that I have to manage, and I'd rather keep everything all together. So I don't know how often I would push out these vlog type videos. I guess this is an example of one, where I just kind of like bring you along. I guess I'm not going to record every single aspect of me doing boring things, but I guess if something interesting is going along, then I'll bring you guys along and like record it and stuff. But yeah. So that's really it. What else? Do I have anything else to talk about?
Nope.
Yeah, okay, that's it. It's a rainy Sunday and my brother and sister-in-law are gonna come over. We're gonna watch the Squid Game show because we are addicted. I didn't even know that was gonna be a thing. I totally wanna apply. But yeah, that's what we're doing. Okay, bye.